Post-election results, we continue to be very positive on the markets. I think going forward, we do expect economic growth momentum to improve maybe after a couple of quarters. Earnings in FY19, which were a bit tepid, we do expect a significant improvement in the growth momentum in FY20. And any steps that the government, with its strong mandate, may initiate to improve the state of the rural economy would also aid the growth. So overall, we expect better market conditions going into FY20. We do see, in terms of the markets, we expect it to be much more broad-based going forward. More stocks, more sectors participate in the rally, and the stark underperformance of mid and small cap stocks, we expect that to reverse going forward. So we expect greater outperformance from the mid and small cap space. In terms of product recommendations, therefore, we feel the most appropriate strategy at this point of time are funds, the multi-cap strategy, which can have exposure to the mid and small cap space also. So that's our recommendation. So the product there is the multi-cap growth, which is really a flexi cap, which could move between large, mid and small cap. That's one product. The other product in this category is the multi-cap focused fund, which is again a multi-cap strategy, which today is about 75% into large, but we do expect that a greater allocation to mid caps and small caps in the times to come. In the large mid also, which has about almost 2/3 of its portfolio into mid and small cap space, we also expect that to be a reasonably good product for allocation for investors from a long-term point of view. For the more conservative investors, I think the principal balanced advantage funds, which follows the PE model and which is predominantly large cap oriented with some tactical exposure to mid caps, is the product. And for investors who are probably looking for a slightly more conservative fund positioning compared to the pure equity funds, the principal hybrid equity fund is there, so that's about 70% invested into equities, of which about 25 to 30% of the equity exposure is into mid and small caps. So for aggressive investors, the principal small cap fund also fits well, given the principal small cap fund we believe is ideal for people who are looking for more returns and who are willing to take that additional risk. So these are our product recommendations for investors.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.